Maranatha Masala. Because it's here. For the Lord is good. And all the time. His love and mercies endures forever. I heard someone saying so.
Umusa nothando lwakhe uhlezi unaphakade ukufuna umuzwa shonjani.
When the camp meeting started,
Uma kuqala ke umkhosi wamadokodo.
from the first sermon I said the camp meeting is finished.
Kusukela entshubeleni yokuqala ngithe umkhosi wamadokodo usuphelile.
Then Mavuso came and said, when we are seated by the gate, beautiful,
Wathi uMavuso lo uma uhleli ngasesangweni elihle,
stand up and walk
sukuma uhambe
and limp and jump towards the church.
ugqume ugijime uye enkonzweni.
I said the camp meeting is finished.
Ngathi umkhosi wamadokodo usuphelile.
Then Ushabangu came,
Kwafika uShabangu
said, let us meet in Galilee.
wathi masihlangane eGalile.
I said the camp meeting is finished.
Ngathi camp meeting isiphelile.
Then I sat down and listened to Matebula.
Ngalalela ke umfundisi uMathebula.
He said the Father is still waiting for you to come back home,
Wathi ubaba usemile njalo ekulinde ukuthi ubuye ekhaya
to give you a new robe and a new identity.
ukuze akunike isithombe esisha noma umfanekiso omusha ke nengubo entsha.
And a ring to affirm that you are still a son of God.
Akunike nendandatho ezoqinisekisa ukuthi wena uyindodana kaNkulunkulu.
I said the camp meeting is finished.
Ngathi ngempela i-camp meeting isiphelile.
Last night Albany came.
Kwafika ke i-Albany izolo ntambama.
Then he rolled the stone.
Yena ke waguqula noma wasusa ilitshe.
I said the camp meeting is now finished.
Ngathi i-camp meeting iphelile.
What is left for me
Okusele nje kuselele mina
is to come pray and live.
ukuthi mina ngikhuleke kanye nani sihlukane.
Amen. For the sake of the program,
Kodwa ke ngokugcina nje usiko le-program.
Genesis chapter 33, 32.
Genesis 32.
I'm going to read one or two verses.
Sizofunda nje ivesi elinye noma bemabili.
Verse 26 says,
Verse 26.
and he said,
Uthi wayesethi
let me go, for the day breaks.
wathi angihambe ngokuba sekuyasa.
But God said, but he said,
Kepha wathi
I will not let you go
anginakukuyeka
unless you bless me.
ungangibusisanga.
That's all I came to say.
Lokho nje kuphela engizele ukukusho.
I will not let you go
Angikuyeka uhambe
Unless you bless me.
uze ungibusise.
Before we leave this camp meeting,
Ngaphambi kokuthi siphume kule camp meeting,
I want us to say to God,
ngifuna sithi kuNkulunkulu
I will not let you go
angizukuyeka
unless you bless me.
ungakangibusisanga.
I've spent 7 days with you here.
Ngihlale insuku ezisikhombisa nawe lana.
I cannot live without a blessing.
Ngikwazi ukuhamba ngingasitholanga isibusiso.
Because if I live without a blessing,
Uma ngingahamba ngingasitholanga isibusiso,
coming here was just but useless.
ukuza lana bekuyilizeleze.
But for us to enjoy, why does this man have to ask for a blessing?
Ukuze sikwazi ukuthokoza noma siqonde ukuthi kungani lo muntu afuna
We need to
lesibusiso.
go back to history.
Kumele sibuyele emlandweni
How did we get there?
ukuthi sifike njani lapho.
Isaac is old.
U-Isaac usemdala.
Now as Isaac is old,
Uma u-Isaac esemdala
he is about to die.
usezoshona.
He calls the firstborn.
Ubiza indodana yakhe
He
endala
says to Esau,
uthi ku-Esau,
Esau my son,
Esau ndodana
I am
yami
about to die.
sengizoshona.
Go and prepare me a meal
Hamba uyongilungiselela ukudla
the way I like it.
ngale ndlela engithanda ngayo,
Then come and present it to me.
bese ukuletha phambi kwami
then I will bless you.
bese ngizokubusisa.
By the time Isaac is saying these words,
Isaka makakhuluma
the
lamagama
mother Rebecca is listening.
umama uRebecca ulalele
Then Rebecca goes to Jacob.
uyahamba uya kuJakobe
He says, the father has got only one blessing.
uthi ubaba unesibusiso esisodwa
Go and prepare a meal
hamba yomlungiselela ukudla
the way he likes it.
ngalendlela yena akuthanda ngayo
Then go and take the blessing.
bese uyahamba uyothatha lesibusiso.
Jacob, being a wise man,
uJakobe ehlakaniphile
he
njalo
then realizes
uyabona ukuthi
that my brother is hairy
ukuthi umfowethu ke unoboya
and my brother smells the bush.
noma uphinde futhi anuke ihlathi.
Then Jacob says,
uthi uJakobe
if I present myself to the father the way I am,
uma ngingeza nginje kubaba
the father might notice
ubaba ngabona
that this is not Esau but Jacob.
ukuthi lona kuyena uEsau kodwa uJakobe.
Then Jacob goes to the kraal.
uyahamba uyesibayeni uJakobe
He kills the animal.
ubulala isilwane.
When he was killing the animal,
uma ebulala isilwane
he is taking the identity of the animal.
uthatha ke isithombe
He
sesilwane
leaves humanity.
ushiya ubuntu
He enters into animalship
ungena ke ebulwaneni
so that he can get a blessing.
ukuze athole isibusiso.
Oh, how I pray to us, church,
ngiyakhuleka namhlanje
that
baba
let us not go to a point
masingayeki
that we reduce ourselves
lapho sizehlisa
to
khona
state of animals.
sifike kulevele yilwane.
Then Jacob prepares the meal.
uJakobe ulungisa ukudla
After preparing the meal,
esekulungisile
then
ukudla
Jacob notices something.
kuba khona into ayibonayo uJakobe
That normally our father is blind.
uthi ubaba futhi akasaboni
There's
emehlweni
a possibility
kusengenzeka
that he will want to feel what he is blessing.
ukuthi ngenzeka angithinte afuna ukuzwa ukuthi yini la
Then
ibusisayo.
Jacob takes the skin of the animal.
uJakobe uthatha isikhumba salesilwane
He wears the skin of the animal
gqoka lesikhumba
to
salesilwane
deceive the father.
ukhohlisa ubaba wakhe.
Then now when Jacob comes into the room,
uma efika ke lapha egumbini
Jacob goes to the father.
uyahamba uya kubaba
He says, as you have requested,
uthi njengoba ucelile
here is your meal.
naku ukudla kwakho.
Then the father says,
ubaba wakhe uthi
who are you, my son?
ungubani wena ndodana yami.
The church is not getting this one.
ibandla likutholi lokhu.
The father knows
ubaba uyazi
that the one who is speaking
ukuthi lo okhulumayo
is one of his sons.
ungomunye wamadodana
But
akhe.
he needs the son to affirm
ufuna indodana yakhe kube
that
iyevumayo
he is the right person.
ukuthi ngempela uyilo acabanga ukuthi uhuye.
Then Jacob responds,
uyaphendula uJakobe
it is me, Esau, your son.
uthi yimi uEsau indodana yakho.
Jacob
uJakobe
responds to the father.
uphendula ubaba wakhe
He says, I am Esau,
uthi nginguEsau
your son.
indodana yakho.
But the father is blind but not deaf.
ubaba kaboni kodwa uyezwa.
He can hear that the one who is speaking is not Esau but Jacob.
uyezwa ukuthi lo khulumayo kuyena uEsau uJakobe.
But the father does not stop the process of blessing.
kodwa kasimisi ke lo hambo lokubusisa.
He continues with the process,
uyaqhubeka nokwenza
knowing
lokho.
that I am not giving it to the right person.
azi ukuthi lesibusisa akasinika umuntu
But
ofanele
because he has presented himself as Esau,
ngoba uzilethe uEsau.
then the father says to Jacob,
ubaba uthi kuJakobe
come close, my son.
sondela ndodana.
When Jacob comes close to the father,
uma uJakobe sondela kubaba
the father feels the hands.
ubaba uyamthinta
He says the hands
uthi isandla
are of Esau,
zingezika Esau
but the voice
kodwa izwi
is of Jacob.
lingelika
But the
Jakobe.
father does not end there.
kodwa kagcini lapho ubaba
He then hugs
useyamanga
and then kisses him,
uyamcabuza esihlathini
then smells the garment he's wearing.
ogela lephunga lalenguba imbethe.
The church is not getting wrong. I'm trying to say, man.
ibandla likutholi lokho.
The father
ubaba
knows
uyazi
that this is not Esau,
ukuthi lo akuyena uEsau
but he hugs him
kodwa uyamanga
and look for the smell of Esau in him.
ufuna iphunga lika Esau
Then the
kuye.
father, at the back of his mind,
ubaba ngemuva
he
kwengqondo
says,
yakhe
while I am now blessing,
uthi ngazi ukuthi angibusisi
what I am now blessing,
uthi lokho
I
engikubusisayo
am blessing the character that is wearing.
ngibusisa lesimilo
He
esembethe
might not be Esau,
benzeka kayenu
but
Esewu
he is wearing the character of Esau.
kodwa ubethe isimilo sika
Many
Esewu
of us as you are seated here,
abaningi bethu njengoba
we
sihlezi
don't
lana
deserve the blessing.
sifanele
But
isibusiso
when God looks at
kodwa
us,
uNkulunkulu
then
mayesibuka
sees the character of
abona
Jesus.
isimilo sika
He does
Kristu
not bless us,
akabusisi
but he
thina
blesses the character that
lesimilo
we are wearing.
leso
He
sesimbethe
knows
thina
we are not deserving,
uyazi ukuthi
but we
asifanele
are wearing something
kodwa simbethe
that deserves to be blessed.
fanele ukubusiswa
Then the father
ubaba
smells him.
uyamhogela
He smells the garment.
umhogela lezingubo
Then the father releases the blessing,
ubaba uthulula isibusiso
knowing very well
azi kahle
that I am not blessing Esau.
ukuthi angibusisi uEsewu
I want to submit to us and say,
ngifuna ukuthi kithi namhlanje
maybe let's do ourselves a favor.
masizenzele na umusa
We are not deserving,
asifanelwe
but let us try
kodwa masizame
to wear the character
ukuthi simane sigqoke isimilo
of Jesus.
sika Kristu
So that when the father wanna bless,
ukuthi ubaba mayefuna
he
ukubusisa
does not look for us,
akasicingi
but he looks for Christ in us.
kodwa ubheka
And
uKristu
when he sees the Christ in us,
uma ebona
then
uKristu
says, now I am blessing but my son.
athi ngibusisa eyami indodana
Then Jacob, after receiving the blessing,
sesitholile isibusiso uJakobe
he then leaves the house.
uyaphuma endlini
When he flew away from home,
uma ebaleka ekhaya
he rests at Bethel.
uyahlala uyaphumula eBethel
He rests on the rock.
uyalala ucamela ngelitshe
Then he dreams.
useyaphupha
Angels going to and fro,
ingilosi zehla zenyuka
bringing him blessings.
zimlethela izibusiso
Then Jacob wakes up in the morning.
uJakobe uyavuka
He
ekseni
looks at where he was sleeping.
ubheka le ndawo alele
He says,
kuyo
this place shall be called Bethel,
uthi le ndawo izabizwa ngeBethel
because I have met God.
ngoba ngidibene noNkulunkulu
The guy have just stole the blessing
utshontshe isibusiso lomfo
and ran away from his biological father.
wabalekela ubaba umzalayo
But the heavenly father
kodwa ubaba wasezulwini
never allowed him to run away from him.
azange amvumele ukuthi naye
He followed
ambalekele
him to where he was
wamlandela waze wafika la
and
ekhona
proved to him
wenza
that
isiqinisekiso
you did
kuye
not need to steal.
ukuthi bakungamelanga uze usitshontshe
Then the father blesses him.
uyambusisa ubaba
Then he goes to his uncle Laban.
uyahamba uyakubaba umalume wakhe uLabani
Laban looks at him.
uLabani uyambheka
He says, I'm going to give you a wife.
uthi ngizokunika unkosikazi
Work for 7 years.
sebenza iminyaka esikhombisa
Rachel is presented.
uyaletha uRachel phambi kwakhe
Jacob says, I am blessed with one,
uthi ngibusisiwe ngoyedwa
but I want Leah.
mina engimfunayo uLeya
He works for another 7 years.
sebenza eminye iminyaka
He's
esikhombisa
blessed again.
uyabusiswa futhi
The church is not getting what I'm saying.
ibandla likutholi lokho
When the father was blessing, when Isaac was blessing,
uma uIsaka bekade busisa
the blessings were swapped.
izibusiso zaphambaniswa
When Jacob wanted the wife as a blessing,
noJakobe masefuna unkosikazi
his
njengomfazi
uncle swapped.
umalume wakhe yaphambanisa izibusiso
Be careful
qaphela ke
of swapping things.
ukuthi uphambanise izinto
It might catch up with you later.
ngenzeka ikubambe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi
Then my Bible says,
iBhayibheli lami lithi
21 years later,
emva kweminyaka ewu21
the news come to him.
ziyafika izindaba kuye
Normally in the old Jewish culture,
esikhathini esadluleke ngesiko lamaJuda
before the father dies,
ngaphambi kokuthi ubaba afe
he calls the son.
ubebiza indodana
He releases the blessing.
ayiphe isibusiso
He then gives him the ring.
amnikeze
He
indandatho
then gives him the rod to lead the family.
bese amnikeza ke ugodo lokhola umndeni
Then the father dies.
ubaba ke useyashona
Then the boy becomes the one who closes the eyes of the father.
bese lo umfana kuba uyovala amehlo kababa
But
wakhe
in the case of Jacob and Esau,
kodwa ke kulokhu kaJakobe noEsewu
also releases the blessing,
ubaba ukhipha isibusiso
but he remains alive.
emva kwalokho akashoni.
21 years later,
Emva kweminyaka u21
the news comes in the house of Laban
indaba ziyafika ekhaya kaLabani
that your father is still in the bed of death.
kodwa ubaba wakho ke uselungele ukufa.
He is waiting for you to come back home
Ulindele wena ukuthi ubuye ekhaya
and reconcile with your brother
ulungise izindaba nomfowenu
so that he may sleep in peace.
azokwazi ukuthi alale ngokuthula.
The process of reconciliation.
Indlela ke yokubuyisana.
Then Jacob arrives.
uJakobe ke uyasukuma.
He says, if I go back home,
Uthi uma ngingabuyela ekhaya
my brother is going to kill me.
mfowethu uzongibulala.
But for the sake of my father to rest,
Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi ubaba kumele
I
aphumule.
don't mind death.
Anginendaba
I
nokufa.
have prolonged it for too long.
Uthi ngihlehlise isikhathi eside.
Now I am giving my life
Manje nginikela ngempilo
for the
yami
sake of my father.
ngenxa kabakwami.
You don't get what I'm saying?
Ngimtholi.
When Jesus left heaven,
uJesu mayeshiya izulu
he gave his life
wanikela ngempilo
for
yakhe
the sake of his father,
ngenxa kababwakhe
not to lose you.
ukuthi angalahlekelwa uwe.
Then this guy prepares the two wives,
Ulungisa ke amakhosikazi wakhe amabili
7 sons.
uthatha ke namadodana akhe ayisikhombisa
They are 12 already.
sewayi12 emva kwalokho
2 daughters.
kunamadodakazi amabili.
He says, now let us go
Uthi masambini
and meet my brother Esau.
sidibane nomfowethu Esau.
When they got into the river called Jabbok,
Uma befika ke kuloyo mfula obizwa ngeJabok
then Jacob says,
uthi uJakobe
honey,
sithandwa
take the kids,
thatha abantwana
cross over.
uwele kanye nabo.
He will not kill you.
Wena angeke azakubulale,
He's only looking for me.
ufuna mina.
He says, take these animals
Uthi thatha na imfuyo
and present them to him
uyithathe uyinikise kuye
as a token,
uyilethe ke njengesipho
and allow me to remain behind
uvume mina ngisale ngemuva
and worship my God.
ngikhonze uNkulunkulu wami.
Look at what this guy is saying.
Yizwa ukuthi uthini.
Go to Esau,
Uthi hamba uye kuEsau,
but I
mina
will remain with my God
ngizosala noNkulunkulu wami
and worship him.
ngimkhonze.
The Bible says,
iBhayibheli lithi
then Jacob worshipped
uJakobe ke uyadumisa
in the river Jabbok.
lapho emfuleni iJabok.
The Bible does not tell us
iBhayibheli alisitsheli
who he was with.
ukuthi wayenobani.
It says he's worshiping in the river Jabbok.
Ithi uyakhonza lapho emfuleni iJabok.
Normally,
Kwesinye isikhathi
the Jews, when they are saying they are worshiping,
amaJuda mayethi ayakhonza noma
they slaughter animals
bewahlaba isilwane
and they erect an altar
bese bakha ialtare
and they present the animal as a form of worship.
bese baletha lesilwane njengenkonzo
But
yokudumisa.
this worship
Kodwa lokhu kudumisa
is happening in the middle of the sea.
kwenzeka emfuleni.
Church, the fire and water does not go hand in hand.
Ilo ke namanzi akuhlangani.
But this guy worships
Kodwa lo mfo yena
in the
uyakhonza
sea.
olwandle
But I love my Bible when it says,
ngithanda iBhayibheli uma libeka
when the sun was about to break,
uma indodana ke isekuzokusa
then the man whom he was the whole night,
le ndoda ebekade ayiyo noma ebusuku bonke
he then says to him,
ithi le ndoda ebekade nayo ebusuku
let
bonke
me go
ngiyekele
before the sun breaks.
ngoba sekuyasa.
I grew up watching wrestling,
Ngikhuleke ngomuntu obukela iwrestling
and when I go to school I started to fight physically.
bese mangifika esikoleni bese ngenza lento engiyibonile.
In wrestling
Ku-wrestling
there are rules
kunemthetho
You fight, then the referee says, no, it's enough.
niyalwa bese ureferee athi sekwanele.
But when we are fighting,
Kodwa uma silwa
there are no rules.
akubi khona umthetho.
I take whatever that will help me
Ngithatha noma yini engangisiza
for me to defeat you.
ukuthi ngikuhlule.
So now the Bible says,
iBhayibheli lithi
and Jacob fought with God
lithi uJakobe walwa noNkulunkulu
for the whole night,
ubusuku bonke
and God never prevailed.
kodwa uNkulunkulu azange anqobe.
Then the guy says,
Uthi lo mfo
let me go
uthi ngidedele
before the sun breaks.
ngaphambi kokuthi kuse.
Then Jacob says,
uJakobe uthi
I will not let you go
angizi ukukudedela
unless you bless me.
uze
Then
ungibusise.
I sit down and I read my Bible.
Ngahlala phansi ngafunda
What
iBhayibheli
kind of
yami.
a blessing are you looking for now?
Sesinjani lesibusiso
The
sifunayo?
Father blessed you.
Ubaba
You were
ubusisile.
blessed at Bethel.
Wabusiswa
You were
eBhetheli.
blessed by Laban.
Wabusiswa
What
uLabani.
more do you want?
Usufunani manje?
Then the guy looks at him,
Iyambuka le
then
ndoda.
asks him a question.
Imbuza umbuzo.
What is your name?
Ithi ubani igama
Then the
lakho?
mind of Jacob reacts again.
Igama leqondo kaJakobe siyakhumbula.
21 years ago,
Unyaka 21
my
edlulile.
father asked me this question
Ubaba ukambuza lo
and said,
mbuzo.
what is my name?
Ubuza ukuthi
After
ngubani?
you felt me,
Emva kokuthi sengithintile.
and after you felt me,
Emva kokuthi
and brought
sengithintile.
me close,
Wasondeza
he
eduze.
then asked me my name.
Wangibuza igama
Then I
lami.
said I am Esau.
Wathi ngingu-Esewu.
Then Jacob remembered
Uyakhumbula
that all
uJakobe
along as I was walking,
ukuthi uma ngilokhu
I was
ngihamba
not walking with the blessing of
bengahambi
Jacob.
nesibusiso sikaJakobe.
God was not blessing Jacob.
uNkulunkulu wayengabusisi
God
uJakobe.
was blessing Esau in
uNkulunkulu
me.
wayabusisa
Now I
lo-Esewu.
need to go to God
Kumele ngiye
and become
kuNkulunkulu
naked
bese
and
ngiyazenjala
become Jacob.
ngibe
And
uJakobe.
Jacob stands back and says,
uJakobe ubuyele
if I miss
ukuvuma
this opportunity,
ukuthi uma ngiyeka leli
Esau
ngithuba
will still be reigning.
u-Esewu
And I
uyobusa.
will live without a blessing.
Ngiyohamba ngingenasibusiso.
Jacob says,
uJakobe
my
uthi
name
igama lami
is Jacob.
nginguJakobe.
Jacob was simply saying,
uJakobe into
oh
abayisho
no, God,
uthi sonke
you are blessing the
lesikhathi
character of Esau.
kade ubusisa isimo
Now I want
sikaEsewu.
you
Manje
no
ngifuna
longer to bless Esau
ungasabusisi
in me,
uEsewu
but I
kimi.
want you to bless the Jacob
Ubusisa
that is
uJakobe.
in me.
Lowo kimi.
My name is not Esau,
Igama lami
but my
ngingu-Esewu.
name is Jacob.
igama lami nguJakobe.
Then God
uNkulunkulu
does not bless this guy.
akambusisi lo mfana.
He says to him,
Uthi kuye
you don't have a problem of blessings.
awunayo wena inkinga yey'busiso.
You are blessed already.
Ubusisiwe vele.
You've got an identity crisis.
Ninkinga nje unokuphambana kwesimilo.
You don't know who you are.
Awuzazi ukuthi ungubani.
Now let me fix your identity crisis.
Ngithi ngilungise isimilo sakho.
Your name
Igama lakho.
Your name
Igama lakho
shall not be called Jacob anymore,
awusayi ukubizwa ngoJakobe,
but your name
kodwa igama lakho
shall be called Esau.
seliya kuba u-Esewu.
No, your name shall be called Israel.
Igama lakho uzoba u-Israyeli.
Then Jacob look at this guy.
uNkulunkulu ubheka lo mfana
He says, I cannot just bless you,
uthi angeke ngikwazi ukukubusisa nje.
because if I bless you,
Uma ngingakubusisa
you will run and want to go and fight with your brother,
uzofuna ukugijima uyona nomfowenu
because you think that you've got all the strength now,
ngoba usucabanga ukuthi
because you will be
amandla manje
blessed by me.
ngoba uzobe ubusiswe yimi.
Then God
uNkulunkulu
touches
uyamthinta
the socket of his hip,
inyongo okhalweni lakhe
so that this guy becomes weak
ukuze le ndoda ibe ntekenteke
and not be able to go and fight for himself
ingasabi namandla okugijima
and
yozilwela.
depend on the blesser to fight for him.
ikwazi manje ukunika ngokuphelele kulo mbusisi ukuthi amlwele.
Jacob is with God.
uJakobe unoNkulunkulu
He wants strength to go and fight,
ubefuna amandla ukuthi ahamba yokulwa.
but God breaks him to be more weaker,
uNkulunkulu kodwa uyamphula ukuthi athi ukuba ntekenteke.
so that God can prove himself
uNkulunkulu azokwazi ukuthi aveze uphuzu lakhe
that you don't need to go with your strength.
ukuthi akudinga amandla akho.
I will go
Ngizohamba
as Jacob was wrestling with God,
uJakobe uma elokhu elwa noNkulunkulu,
God was wrestling with the heart of Esau.
uNkulunkulu wayelwa lenhliziyo kaEsawu.
Esau wanted to kill his brother,
uEsawu befuna ukubulala umfowabo,
but Jacob is praying to God,
uJakobe ukhuleka kuNkulunkulu,
and God responds the prayer to Esau,
uNkulunkulu uphendula uEsawu,
and then he works with the heart of Esau.
usesebenza ngenhliziyo
That
kaEsawu.
when Jacob arrives,
uJakobe ke uma efika,
Esau must be well,
uEsawu matholakale selungile,
because God have worked with his heart.
ngoba uNkulunkulu usesebenzile ngenhliziyo
I don't
yakhe.
know the Esau that you have in your life,
Ngazi ukuthi unjani lo-Esau onayo inhliziyo empilweni
but
yakho.
stay in this camp meeting,
Kodwa hlala kule camp meeting,
pray to God
ukhuleke
to
kuNkulunkulu
fix the heart of Esau.
ukuthi alungise le nhliziyo
And when
yakho,
you go back home,
ukuthi wena ubuyele ekhaya,
those kids who do not listen to you,
ubuyele kubantwana
when
abangakulaleli,
God work with their heart,
uNkulunkulu akasebenze le
when
nhliziyo
you go
yakho.
back home
Uma ubuyele
with
ekhaya,
a divided family,
ukulomndeni ohlukene
when
phakathi,
God work with their heart,
uNkulunkulu ngathi
that
akasebenze le
when you
nhliziyo
get back
zakho,
to them,
ukuthi wena uma ubuyela kubo,
really they will not be in the mind of fighting,
angeke babe nenqondo
but they will
yokulwa,
be in the mind of reconciling.
bazokuba nenhliziyo yokubuyisana.
Jacob says,
uJakobe
I will not let you go
uthi uNkulunkulu angizukuyeka uhambe
unless you bless me.
uze ungibusise.
Then God,
uNkulunkulu
you want to learn Mavuso? It's very simple and very tricky.
ibukeka ilula futhi kodwa ke iyindida.
Jacob,
uJakobe
he says to God,
uthi kuNkulunkulu
bless me.
ngibusise.
God blesses him.
uNkulunkulu uyambusisa.
After Jacob have received the blessing,
Uma sesitholile isibusiso,
then Jacob says,
uthi uJakobe,
Who are you, Lord?
ungubani wena Nkosi?
verse 1, come back. Jacob
uJakobe
is with God the whole night,
unoNkulunkulu ubusuku bonke,
wanting the blessing.
ufuna isibusiso.
After this, God have blessed him.
Mase noNkulunkulu
Then
esembusisile,
says, who are you?
sekayabuza ukuthi ubani wena.
Then the question is,
Umbuzo uthi
who was he asking the blessing from?
kanti usicela kubani isibusiso?
Then God does not respond.
uNkulunkulu akamphenduli.
Then Jacob responds.
Kuphendula yena futhi
Says, the
uJakobe.
reason I am asking
Uthi isizathu sokuthi ngibuze
is that I have seen God face to face,
uthi ngimbonile uNkulunkulu ubuso nobuso,
but I'm still alive.
kodwa ngisaphila.
Jacob have read
uJakobe
that
befundile
no man can see God
ukuthi akekho noyedwa ozawubona
and
uNkulunkulu
live again.
aphile
But when
futhi.
it comes to this point now,
Kodwa makufika kulesi
what
sikhathi
confuses him?
okumdidayo
How
yilokho
come
uthi kuza
I've
kanjani
seen you face to face,
ngibonile ubuso
but I'm
nobuso
still alive?
kodwa ngisaphila.
I then read the book of Revelation
ngafunda incwadi yesambulo,
when John says,
uJona uthi
when I saw him,
uthi uma
I
ngimbona
felt as if I was dead.
ngezwa ngathi ngifile,
But when he touched me,
kodwa wathi uma engithinta,
when he touched me,
wathi uma engithinta
I came back to life.
ngaphila futhi.
What God was doing in Jacob,
into uNkulunkulu ayenza
he was
kuJakobe,
killing the character of Jacob
wayebulala
so that he can
kaJakobe
resurrect a new person.
ukuthi afuse umuntu
Now, when
omusha.
Jacob was fighting God,
Uma yena
he
noNkulunkulu
was fighting as Jacob.
wayelwa
But
njengoJakobe,
now, when he is now resurrected,
wathi uma
he is
esevuswa
resurrected as Israel.
uvuswa
They say,
esiyisrayeli.
who are you, Lord?
Ungubani
They
Nkosi?
wanted to explain.
uNkulunkulu
All along I
wamemchaza
was in the process
ukuthi sonke
of
lesikhathi
killing this Jacob in
bekade
you.
ngibulale noJakobe kuwe
Resurrect a new
ukuze
person.
ngivuze umuntu
You did
omusha.
not feel as if you were dead.
Azange uzwe ukuthi
Yes, you
ufile,
died.
ufile
And I gave you
kodwa
life again.
vusa futhi.
May the good Lord help us
uNkulunkulu ngathi angasisiza
and kill these characters.
anikezele izimilo lezi,
Give us new names
asinikeze igama
so
elisha
we can have an experience with Him.
ukuthi sikwazi ukuba
So that when He shall
umuzwa,
come in the eastern skies,
ukuthi uma yeza ngamafezulu
we all shall be able to see
sonke
Him.
sizokwazi ukumbona.
I love my God.
Ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu
He
wami,
keeps His promises.
uyagcina-ke isithembiso sakhe.
When He promised them Canaan,
Uma ekethembisa-ke eKhanana,
when He promised them Canaan,
uma kabathembisa eKhanana,
He will always remind them.
Ubezolokhu ebakhumbuza
Whenever they will start to doubt him,
uma belokhu bemqala umngabaza
then he will say, I am the God
athi nguNkulunkulu
of Jacob.
kaJakobe,
So that you can know
kuze nizokwazi
that though he breaks, he sustains.
ukuthi noma ephula uphinda alungise.
We are moving towards Canaan.
Sibheke phambili eKhanana,
Don't remain behind.
ungasali ngemuva,
Don't remain behind.
ungasali ngemuva.
Canaan is not far.
iKhanana lisesekude.
I've read somewhere, we're closing.
Ngifundeke kwenye indawo
It says this guy walked with them for 40 years.
ithi wahamba nabo iminyaka engamashumi 40.
When he came to Mount Pisgah
Uma efika entabeni yasePhisga
of Nebo,
lapha eNebo,
then God says to him,
uthi uNkulunkulu kuye,
Moses, my servant,
Moses indodana yami,
do you see this land?
uyalibona lezwe,
This is the land
yilo ke izwe
that I promised to your father.
engathembisa ke ubaba wakho uAbraham,
That I promised to your father, Jacob.
engathembisa uyihlo uJakobe.
Finally, you have arrived.
Gcineni ufikile.
Then Moses looks back.
uMoses ubheka
He
emuva,
recalls all the wars they fought with the Israelites.
ubheka zonke lezimpi abazilwile
He
beno-Israyeli,
says, indeed,
uthi ngempela
this was the God of Jacob.
lona uye uNkulunkulu kaJakobe.
Then God says to
Uthi
Moses,
uNkulunkulu kuMose,
with your eyes,
ngamehlo akho
you will see it,
uzolibona
but you will not enter.
kodwa awuzukungena.
I love what God does here.
Ngithanda ke lento uNkulunkulu ayenzayo lana.
Says Moses, look there.
Uthi Mose bheka lapha,
These are the islands of Canaan.
lezi ke iqhingi zaseKhanana.
This is where Naphtali will stay.
Lana ke ula uNaftali azohlala khona.
This is where Gad will stay.
Uthi lana ila uGad azohlala khona.
This is where Judah will stay.
La uJuda uzohlala
This is
khona.
the place of Ephraim and Manasseh.
Lana indawo kaEfrayim noManase.
This is where Simeon will stay.
Lana ila uSimiyoni azohlala
And
khona.
Moses, look at God.
uMose ubheka uNkulunkulu.
How we have counted them all.
Uthi uNkulunkulu babale bonke.
What about me?
Mina ke
God says,
uNkulunkulu
your
uthi
duty
umsebenzi
was to
wakho
lead them this far.
ukuba khona baze bafike la.
Then God says to Moses,
Uthi uNkulunkulu kuMose,
you are not going to enter Canaan.
awuzukulingena eKhanani,
And you are not going back to your people.
awuzukubuyela emuva
You
nakubo
are
bakho.
dying here.
Wena ke uyafa
Then
lana.
God, listen what God does.
Lalela uNkulunkulu
At
wenzayo.
first, He opened the cliff.
Uvuleke
He
idwala,
put on Moses.
wafaka uMose
He then
phakathi,
let him.
wase uyamhola.
Now He opens the cliff.
Uvula idwala,
He is no longer leading him,
akasamholi
but
manje,
He is burying him.
kodwa
The
uyamngcwaba.
only funeral
Umngcwabo kuphela
attended by 4 people.
athethe abantu abane
God the
kuphela,
Father, Son,
uNkulunkulu
Holy
Baba
Spirit,
noNdodana
and Satan.
nomoya engcwele noSathane.
Satan thought it was over with the life of Moses.
uSathane wacabanga ukuthi kuphelile ke ngoMoses,
Because Satan thought that Moses belongs to me now.
wayesecabanga ukuthi uMose ungowakhe
But that
manje.
was not the end.
Kwakungasiswa isiphelo.
Until you read Jude chapter 1 verse 9.
Incwadi kaJude chapter 1 verse
There I
9
saw an angel
uthi ngabona ingelosi
going down to the grave of Moses.
ehla iyethuneni
Say, get
likaMose,
behind me, Satan.
yathi yiba ngemva kwami
This
Sathane,
one belonged to me.
lona ungowami.
Then God takes Moses.
uNkulunkulu wamthatha
Say, yes, you have missed the earthly Canaan.
wathi uphilile eKhanana
You have
lasezweni,
not entered the earthly
kodwa
Canaan.
zange ulingene eKhanana lasezweni,
But you are going to enter the
kodwa
heavenly
manje
Canaan.
uyongena kweKhanana
Don't worry
lasezweni.
about this Canaan.
Ungakhathazeki
There is but a Canaan somewhere
eKhanana phambili
that is waiting for you and for me.
elungiselelwe wena nawe.
Moses, as he seated there,
uMoses uma ehleli lapha
2,000 years later,
unyaka u-2000
there's a man
emva
taken by the chariot of fire.
njengendodana ethathe ngenqola komlilo.
And this guy enters heaven.
Uma ingena ezulwini
He sees Moses there.
ubona
He says,
uMoses,
is this you, Moses?
uthi lona uMoses,
Is this really
ingabe
you?
uwe ngempela
The
lona
great
Mose,
prophet of Israel.
uprofethi omkhulu
We have
kaIsrayeli.
read about you, Moses.
Sifundile ngawe
I can
Mose.
imagine God saying to this man,
Engathi ngiyambona
Elijah, wait a minute, wait a minute.
kancane Elijah,
It is not time for salutation.
asisikhathi sokubingelela.
I've got an appointment for you and Moses.
Nginomsebenzi elibekele
I am
wena
about to
noMose.
go to planet Earth.
Wathi ngizoya emhlabeni.
Since you have walked this walk,
ngoba nina nohambile lo
I
mhlaba
want when I get there,
ufuna uma ngifika
if
lapho
I no longer can be able to walk,
uma ngasana
I
manje
want you guys to come and strengthen
ufuna
me.
ukuthi nize
The
nizomqinisa
Bible says,
iBhayibheli
and when
lithi
he was in the Mount of Transfiguration,
ungaselapha ke entabeni ke yeminqumo
then two guys appeared.
kufika ke amadoda amabili
They covered him.
bafika bamboza
Then Peter responds,
uPetro uyaphendula
Master,
uthi Nkosi
is it not good for us
ingabe ke akufanele na
to build 3 tabernacles?
ukuthi nathi sakhe amathempeli amathathu
One for you,
sakhe idokotela elizabangela lakho
one for Moses,
sakhe lika Mose
one for Elias.
sakhe lika Elijah
But my question was,
umbuzo uthi
how did he know
wazi ngani
that this was Moses and
ukuthi
Elijah?
lona uMose noElijah
Because they've never seen them in
ngoba
Moses.
wayengakaze babone empilweni yakhe
As a God who keeps his promises,
njengoNkulunkulu ogcina izithembiso
that
zakhe
though I break but I sustain,
ukuthi noma ngingaphula kodwa
he
ngiyamisa
wanted to teach us a lesson.
wayefuna ukusifundisa isifundo
That when you look at Moses and when you look at Elijah,
ukuthi uma ubuka uMose ubuka noElijah
we will be comforted.
sizokwazi ukududuzeka
Then they sat down.
ngahlala phansi
They looked at why Moses,
ngabuka ukuthi kungani uMose
why Elijah,
kungani uElijah
and why Jesus.
kungani uJesu
When Moses was born,
uMose mayezalwa
Pharaoh said,
uFaro wathi
all boys who are a year and under,
uthi bonke abafana abaneminyaka ukuya phansi
they must be killed.
kumele babulawe
When Jesus was born,
uma uJesu ezalwa
Herod said,
uHerode uthi
all boys who are a year and less,
bonke abafana abaneminyaka ukuya
they
phansi
must be killed.
kumele babulawe
When Elijah appeared,
uma uElijah evela
Jezebel said,
uJezebel uthi
all prophets who
bonke
have
abaprofeti
not spent a year,
abangazange bachitha
they
unyaka
must be killed.
kumele babulawe
When Moses was born,
uMose mayezalwa
he opened the Red Sea.
wavula ulwandle olubovu
When Jesus was baptized,
uJesu mayebhabhadiswa
he did not open the sea.
azange avule ulwandle
But when he entered the sea,
kodwa wathi
the
mayengena
heavens opened.
kwavuleka izulu
And they declared,
kwase kuwe
this is my beloved son,
lena indodana
in
yami
whom I am well pleased.
lena engithokoza ngayo
When Elijah came,
uElijah mayefika
he did not open the sea,
azange avule
but
ulwandle
commanded the rain to stop.
kodwa wamisa imvula
Moses
uMose
was born,
uzelwe
he died,
washona
he resurrected.
wavuka
Jesus
uJesu
was born,
wazalwa
he died,
wafa
he resurrected.
wavuswa
Since the Bible does not give us the account of the birth of Elijah,
iBhayibheli alisitshela ukuthi uElijah yena uzalwe kanjani
that's why it does not give us the account of his death,
kungakho nokufa kwakhe kungaveli
which is something that confirms
kuyilento evumayo
that some of you,
ukuthi abanye benu
you will not see death,
alizukubona
but
ukufa
you will be transformed.
kodwa
But
nizoguqulwa
some of you
abanye
will
benu
go the route of Moses
nizohamba indlela
and the
kaMose
route of Jesus,
nihamba indlela
while others
kaJesu
will be going the route of
bona
Elijah.
bayohamba indlela
But at the
kaElijah
end of the day,
kodwa ekugcineni
all of
kosuku
us will stand up and look at God
siyosukuma
and say, had it not been of the Lord who was on our side, let Israel say, had it not been of the Lord who was on our side, when we passed through the fire, let Israel say, had it not been of the Lord who was on our side, when we passed through the waters, let Israel say, had it not been of the Lord who was on our side, when men rose against us, let Israel say, we have escaped
sibalekile
as a bird
njengenyoni
in a snare.
ebanjweni